Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides of 15 sides. Here you see it is given that it is a regular polygon. That means all the sides and all the angles are equal, right? That we have to find the each exterior angle. We will solve question number 1. We know that we know that the sum of the measures the sum of the measures of the external angle of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Of any polygon is 360 degree. And here it is given the number of sides of the polygon. Number of sides is given is equal to 9. And you know that in the case of regular polygon, all the sides are of equal length and all the angles are also equal. They will find the measure of each exterior angle. Therefore, measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by 9. Therefore, it is 9/4. Therefore, it is 40 degree. This is for question number 1. You find question number 2. We know that the sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Here is given the number of sides is equal to 15. Therefore, measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by 15. Therefore, 360 degree if we divide by 15, we are getting 15 to the 30. It is 6. It is 0. 15 4 is 60. That we are getting 24 degree. Right? Again we are repeating. We know that the sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Here the number of sides is given is 9. Therefore, measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 by 9, that is 40 degree. And question number 2. Number of sides is 15. Therefore, measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by 15, that is 24 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.